Welcome to AXO Paradise Student Village, the perfect place to call home during your university journey. Picture this: a cozy mini theater for those chill movie nights with friends, a spacious common area to kick back and relax, and a modern kitchen where you can cook up your favorite meals. The rooms are designed to offer you everything you need to feel comfortable, so you can start your day right. Plus, the bathrooms? Absolutely top-notch. AXO Paradise isn't just about comfort, it's about making your student life exciting too. With an on-site gym, cinema room, and game room, you'll never run out of things to do. With free dual occupancy for studios and flexible tenancies, AXO Paradise is designed to fit your lifestyle. And the best part? No guarantor required, and all your utility bills are included. You're just a 5-minute walk from Coventry University and 10 minutes from the city center. Plus, you can enjoy the convenience of nearby supermarkets like Sainsbury's and Tesco, bike storage, and 24/7 security. Book now with UniAcco and make AXO Paradise your home away from home.